Here is a beginner-level sales manager quiz that covers objection handling and customer persuasion, sales team recruitment and training, and commission and incentive structuring. Let's go. Question 1. What is the most effective way to handle a customer objection? A. Ignore the objection and continue with the sales pitch. B. Listen actively, acknowledge the concern, and provide a solution. C. Argue with the customer to prove them wrong. And D. Reduce the price immediately without discussion. Answer: listen actively, acknowledge the concern, and provide a solution. Question 2. Which of the following is a common objection from customers? A. I don't have time to discuss this now. B. The price is too high. C. I need to check with my manager. And D. All of the above. Answer: all of the above. Question 3. What is the key to successful customer persuasion? A. Forcing the customer to buy the product. B. Clearly demonstrating how the product solves the customer's problem. C. Talking non-stop without letting the customer speak. And D. Giving incorrect information to make the deal sound better. Answer: clearly demonstrating how the product solves the customer's problem. Question 4. Which technique is most effective in handling price objections? A. Demonstrating the value and benefits of the product. B. Immediately offering a discount. C. Apologizing for the price and walking away. And D. Reducing product features to lower the cost. Answer: demonstrating the value and benefits of the product. Question 5. What is the primary goal of sales team recruitment? A. Hiring as many salespeople as possible. B. Only hiring salespeople with 10+ years of experience. C. Finding and selecting candidates who can drive revenue and fit the company culture. And D. Avoiding hiring costs by making existing employees do extra work. Answer: finding and selecting candidates who can drive revenue and fit the company culture. Question 6. What is the first step in training a new sales team member? A. Sending them directly into the field to sell. B. Providing product knowledge and sales process training. C. Giving them a sales quota on the first day. And D. Asking them to observe other employees without guidance. Answer: providing product knowledge and sales process training. Question 7. Why is ongoing sales training important? A. It keeps salespeople updated on new techniques and product knowledge. B. It prevents sales teams from making any mistakes. C. It replaces the need for sales experience. And D. It allows salespeople to ignore objections from customers. Answer: it keeps salespeople updated on new techniques and product knowledge. Question 8. Which of the following is an important quality of a good salesperson? A. Providing misleading information to increase sales. B. Aggressive and forceful selling tactics. C. Ignoring customer needs and focusing only on closing deals. And D. Strong listening and communication skills. Answer: strong listening and communication skills. Question 9. How can a sales manager motivate their sales team? A. Giving unrealistic targets without guidance. B. Ignoring individual achievements and only focusing on team results. C. Offering commissions and performance-based incentives. And D. Reducing their responsibilities over time. Answer: offering commissions and performance-based incentives. Question 10. What is the purpose of commission in sales? A. To reward salespeople for achieving and exceeding sales targets. B. To replace the need for a fixed salary. C. To discourage teamwork in sales. And D. To penalize employees for underperformance. Answer: to reward salespeople for achieving and exceeding sales targets. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which of the following is an example of a sales incentive? A. Bonus for meeting sales targets. B. Recognition awards for top performers. C. Travel incentives for high achievers. And D. All of the above. Answer: all of the above. Question 12. What is the most effective way to structure a commission plan? A. Making it competitive and aligned with company goals. B. Paying the same commission regardless of performance. C. Setting unattainable targets. And D. Avoiding commissions and only offering salaries. Answer: making it competitive and aligned with company goals. Question 13. What is an advantage of a performance-based incentive structure? A. It reduces the need for customer service. B. It motivates employees to work harder and achieve better results. C. It guarantees sales even if the team is underperforming. And D. It eliminates the need for sales quotas. Answer: it motivates employees to work harder and achieve better results. Question 14. Which method is best for tracking sales team performance? A. CRM software to monitor deals and performance metrics. B. Guessing based on personal observations. C. Relying on verbal reports from employees. And D. Checking only revenue numbers without any other data. Answer: CRM software to monitor deals and performance metrics. Question 15. How should a sales manager handle an underperforming sales representative? A. Assign them fewer clients without explanation. B. Immediately fire them without discussion. C. Provide additional training and coaching. And D. Ignore the issue and hope for improvement. Answer: provide additional training and coaching. Question 16. What is a key factor in persuading customers to buy? A. Selling only to customers who agree immediately. B. Speaking more than the customer and not letting them ask questions. C. Pressuring them into making a decision quickly. And D. Understanding their needs and offering tailored solutions. Answer: understanding their needs and offering tailored solutions. Question 17. Why should a sales manager offer non-monetary incentives? A. To increase employee engagement and job satisfaction. B. To avoid paying commissions. C. To replace salary compensation. And D. To discourage competition among the team. increase employee engagement and job satisfaction? Question 18. How can a sales manager reduce high turnover in the sales team? A. Setting unrealistic targets to push employees harder. B. Offering competitive pay, incentives, and career development opportunities. C. Ignoring employee concerns. And D. Constantly hiring new people without retention strategies. Answer: offering competitive pay, incentives, and career development opportunities. Question 19. What is an important step in developing a high-performing sales team? A. Regular training and performance evaluations. B. Relying on employees to learn everything on their own. C. Avoiding new hiring to save costs. And D. Focusing only on short-term sales goals. Answer: regular training and performance evaluations. Question 20. Which factor is most important for designing an effective sales incentive plan? A. Changing incentives every month to confuse the team. B. Offering the same incentive to all employees regardless of performance. C. Keeping the plan secret from employees. And D. Ensuring the rewards align with company goals and sales targets. Answer: ensuring the rewards align with company goals and sales targets. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.